Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari, SSC teacher, and the lesson which is going on nowadays, it is the lifeline of the national economy. It is the lesson of geography. So student, the topic which is going on in the lesson, it is the railway, and railway we are discussing the subtopics, and these are the railway zones, and these are very important topic for the board exam, especially for the maps. And this video lecture has been prepared for the student who are preparing for the civil services and SSC exam. So student, hope you could understand well. So student, we will discuss the railway zone of India. In the first, we will discuss the first railway zone. It is the northern Indian railway zone. It is the headquarter. It is New Delhi, and the length of the tracks is 6,968 kilometer, and the station which are 1142. Second railway zone is the Southern Indian Railway Zone, and the headquarter is Chennai, and this is the second Indian Railway Zone. It is the headquarter Visakhapatnam, and the next one zone is the Eastern Railway Zone. Eastern Railway Zone, it is the Eastern Railway Zone, and headquarter is Kolkata. You have seen also the other railway zone also have the same headquarter, means Kolkata. Next one, the railway zone is Western Indian Railway Zone. The headquarter is Mumbai. So this is the fourth number railway zone of India. It is the Western Railway Zone. Now this is the Northern Central Railway Zone. This is the Northern Central Railway Zone, and the headquarter is Prayagraj. Prayagraj was known as earlier Allahabad. So student, hope you could understand well. You are understanding well. Now the next one is the Eastern Central Railway Zone. Eastern Central Railway Zone, it is this, and the headquarter is Hazipur. Hazipur, it is in Bihar, Jharkhand region, and it is very important railway zone of India. Eastern Central Railway Zone, and headquarter is Hazipur. Next one is the Southern Central Railway Zone. Southern Central Railway Zone, it is this, and it is the Secunderabad. Secunderabad, it is in the Telangana. Next one railway zone is the Western Central Railway Zone, and the headquarter is Jabalpur. This is the city of MP, and it is very important city. It is very famous for the Amarkantak Plateau, because this is very famous for the starting originate point for the river Narmada. It is very important river of Western India. Next zone is the Central Railway Zone. It is there, and the headquarter is same. It is Mumbai. So student, you have seen the black color are showing the cardinal directions railway zone. It is a north, south, east, west, and red color rail zone are showing about the central railway zone of the whole India. Now we are discussing the 10 number, and it is the 10th number railway zone. 10 number railway zone, it is very important rail zone of India. It is the green color, and green color are showing the sub-cardinal directions railway zone of India, such as northern, eastern, means sub cardinal directions railway zone are showing. So northern eastern railway zone, and headquarter is Gorakhpur. It is this. Gorakhpur is the very famous city for history also, because the same place where the Chori Chora incident took place, and it is very famous place. So student, hope you could understand well. Next one railway zone, it is the Southern Eastern Railway Zone, and headquarter is Kolkata. Again the Kolkata has come, you have seen. So Southern Eastern Railway Zone, it is Kolkata. Kolkata is very famous for especially the railway, because railway was started from Mumbai and Kolkata. Next one railway zone is the Southern Western Railway Zone. Southern Western Railway Zone, it is there. It is in Karnataka. It is very famous city of Karnataka. It is very near the Goa also. So the headquarter is Hubli. Hubli is the famous city of Karnataka. Next one railway zone of India is Northern Western Railway Zone. It is the headquarter Jaipur. You have seen Jaipur. Jaipur is a very famous city of Rajasthan, and mostly the students who are watching this video, they are I will say concerning for the same state. So it is very interesting city for all the students, especially for Rajasthan. So student, you have seen all the railway zone from the red color, black color and green colors. Now student, some remaining railway zone of India we will discuss one by one, such as Northern Eastern Frontier Railway. This is the Northern Eastern Frontier Railway. It is the city of Assam, and the city of Assam is the Guwahati. Guwahati is the headquarter of Northern Eastern Frontier Railway. So hope student all of you are understanding well. Next one is the Eastern Coastal. This is the Eastern Coastal Railway Zone, and the headquarter is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is very famous. Now the student, next one is the railway zone is Southern Eastern Coastal, Southern Eastern Center, Southern Eastern Center Railway Zone of India. It is the headquarter Bilaspur, and Bilaspur is near the Chhattisgarh. So student, hope you could understand well. Next one railway zone is the Southern Coastal. Southern Coastal, it is there. It is the Visakhapatnam, and it is very important city of Andhra Pradesh. So student, hope you could understand well. So the next one is it is the last railway zone of India. It is the metro rail zone, and the headquarter is Kolkata. Now the student, some point to be discussed, such as second number railway zone. It is a Chennai. The length of the track is 5,709, and railway station which are 890. Next one is the Kolkata. It is the headquarter of Eastern Railway, and the length of the track is 2,414 km, and the stations are 576. Next one is the Western Railway. Western Railway headquarter is the Mumbai, and the length of the track is 6,182 km, and the railway stations which are fall at the track is 1,046. Next one is the railway zone is the Northern Central Railway, and Northern Central Railway, length of the track is 3,151 km, and the railway station which are there 435. Next one is the Eastern Central Railway, and the headquarters is Hajipur, and the track length is 3,628 km, and the station which are fall at the track is 800 railway station. Next one is the 7 number Secunderabad Southern Central Railway, and the headquarter the Secunderabad, and the track length is 3,127 km, and the railway station which are there 883. Next one is the Jabalpur 8 number Western Central Railway, and the length track is 2,965 km, and the railway station which are 372. Next one is the Central Railway. Central Railway track length is 3,905 km. The railway station which are fall at the track is 612. Next one is the 10 number, and 10 number Northern Eastern Railway headquarters is Gorakhpur. The length track is 3,667 km. The railway station which are 537. Next one is the 11 number Southern Eastern Railway, and the headquarters is Kolkata. Length track is 2,631 km, and the railway station which are fall at the track is 353. Next one is the Southern Western Railway, and the headquarters is Hubli, and the track length is 3,177 km. The railway station which are fall at the track is 456. Next one is the Jaipur. It is Northern Western Railway headquarters, and the track length is 5,459 km, and 663 railway station. Now the important railway station has been discussed. Some are remaining which are discussed. Northern Eastern Frontier Railway headquarters, and the 40 number it is there. It is Assam. The length track is 3,948 km. A railway station which are fall at the track is 753, and the 15 number The Eastern Coastal Railway, it is a Bhubaneswar, and the data has not been given. I will give in the data in the comment box very soon. Then the 16 number, it is a Southern Eastern Central Railway, and the headquarter is Bilaspur, and the length track is 7447 km, and the railway station which are fall at the track is 358. Then 17 number, Southern Coastal Railway, the headquarter is Visakhapatnam, the length track is 3496, and the railway station which are not given the data, so I will give it very soon. And the last one, the metro rail, it is a railway zone of India, it is the 18 number railway zone, and the length track is 30 km only, and the 30 railway station fall at the railway station. So hope student, all of you could understand well this video lecture. Now some important so student, I am giving some important information, so listen it very carefully. First, railway universities, it is open in Vadodara. Second one, important information, Bharatiya Railway Sukhna Bal Seva, it is the kind of a project which was started by Government of India. Next one is first private train, it was a Tejas, it was started from Delhi to Lucknow. It was a private entrepreneur train was started beyond the government. Next information, second premium train was also started by the private agency, it was a Tejas also, it was started from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. Next one, the first right station, it was the Mumbai Central Station, it was started on 17 January 2020. Next one information, first clean railway station of India, it is Jaipur. Next one is fastest train of India, Vande Mataram. It is very important question for all the students. Now the longest platform of India, longest railway station of India, it is also the longest railway station of Asia also, it is 1366 meter, and it is the Gorakhpur. Deccan Queen, it was the first electric train which was started in India. Next one, Ferry Queen, it was the first coal train which was started in India. Bharatiya Railway Board was started on March 1905. These are some important information, and you should keep all the things in the mind. Some important information such as who was called the Metro Man of India, it was known the Sridharan. He had started all the project of metro in all over India. Lord Dalhousie was the person who had given the inauguration of Indian Railway. Means 1853 he was the governor of India. Samjhauta Express, it was the express train which was started between India and Pakistan. Palace on Wheel, it is the very expensive train of India. So all the students could understand well all these information, and all of you should keep all these information in your mind. So student, all these information are very important, and you should prepare all these information in your notebooks with the hard work. Okay, thanks.